Hey, what's up, YouTube family? We are in South Philly today, man. We are going to check out some houses in South Philly so y'all can see what these joints be looking like. And yeah, see some interesting stuff. So let's head on up in here. Had to park like 2 blocks away to get to this one because it's kind of hard to park around here. This is what it be like when it's parking. And these are the little skinny blocks down here. So, thank you. So we gonna go and these people know they shouldn't park like that. Nobody can get a car in that spot. But yeah, let's go check out these cribs. All right, we can ready to head up in here and see what this look like. No, I didn't lock the door. This is them South Philly houses, man. Alright, so this is a straight through. They took and painted the steps. You got the two-tone thing going on, painted the railing with the gloss black. Comes straight back. And you got the 6-panel doors going on. This one right here is probably the bathroom. Yes, sir. So you got a half a bath going on in here. With the window up high. A little bit of water seepage coming in. Right here, probably from that heavy rain. And right here, look. See what it look like with the light on. That's nice. What do y'all think? Everybody's, well, see, look. People going to black knobs, but I like the other one with the lever like. But then he did the silver here. He got to change that to match up, my boy. And kitchen. It's this Corian. It's not granite or Meganite. This is becoming real popular. Soft closed cabinets. Matching appliances, LG. All the way through, 3D, LG. And they kept the same back door. They just painted it. Looks okay. Painted the hinges. This is the first of some we're gonna see. Let's see. Somebody hit a dog, man. So a dog be coming in or something. Gotta get that together. Central air. All right, so that's where that water is seeping over that window right there, some kind of way. They probably have to caulk around that window. And up the top in that bedroom right there, they have to finish putting some cement on that window. I like the green. I like the color green. And they have that exhaust right there. They closed it in here, but they have the exhaust on the outside. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead on upstairs. See what the upstairs look like. Back door. I would they're green on and I don't really care for that. Vinyl flooring, 3-bedroom. Start with the back bedroom. This is for to get to the plumbing in the bathroom. Tub. Okay. That's what y'all did. Alright. Oh boy, look at that. Oh boy. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. All I'm gonna say is that's crazy. Love the color though. Love the color. I'm gonna tell y'all what this house is listed for. See if you can guess before I say. Love this color green. I want to paint my mom's house. I'm thinking I might go with this color. I've been talking about a color green, and this is almost close to the color I was talking about. Almost in the grayish family, but not too green. It's ultimately up to her what color she wants, but I like this color. It almost look like they did this ceiling green, but I think it's white, but it look green. Another closet here. Yeah, sure. All right, so we're gonna head on down the basement and see what that basement looking like. All right. All right, let's go see what this look like. Vinyl flooring. They put this on the edge. The vinyl, I forgot what you call it. Cold base coat. Oh, and now when they did the base coat here, they put it, well no, look at that. That's all I'm gonna say. Just look at that. It does have central air. And with the plumbing, this right here is not supposed to go all the way on here. You're supposed to come up about, I think it's like maybe a foot, 8 inches to a foot, I believe. And then with copper, and then you can run this, but they got copper in the wall and then did this. That's a little backwards, but, and then over here with the water line, they have the grounding wire, but they have a spigot coming out here. That's not good. I don't know. He did get a washer and dryer down here. LG. They did put a half a bath. So they had 1 full and 2 half baths in this house. And they have a barn door. Wire back here, 100 amp service coming in, labeled electrical panel box. I like that. Alright, so that's what we have here, man. They put a new furnace in, new hot water tank. They put all new stuff. Let's see. This is Chadwick. This was three something. This one was. So all right, man. Let's go move to the next one. All right, we're gonna go check out the next house, man. All right. Yeah, so we're gonna take a stroll down to the next one. It was 2 blocks down from the last one. So instead of driving, we're gonna walk down. All right. Okay, let's see what this one is hitting for. Some lights going on in here. Okay, put the fireplace right here. Staged in pretty well. Floating stairs. Open concept for the rail into the basement. Stainless steel appliances. All matching. Beautiful countertops. Come back here. This is the handle I was talking about. I guess they say, oh well, with these houses, huh? They get expensive. You get to changing all the hinges up. I would have to. Nice floor. Nice flow. I like this. Nice and secluded. Relaxation. Built this up. Fire pit. Good, man. I like this color of vinyl siding. Black. This is that thick wood. Alright, let's head on upstairs, man. Check out the floating steps. Walk on the floating stairs. As you come straight up, bam, you have the bathroom. This is nice. I like this hookup. I like the way they did that. It's a weight tile. Bedroom number 1. So this is a 2-bedroom house. 2-bedroom. Craftsmanship looks nice. I'm starting to see this a lot in the house. The back wall like this with different designs. This is pretty nice. Pretty easy to do. Gives it a nice touch. Linen closet. Nice. It's a good sized bedroom too. All ready for it? Right in your bedroom. I got a buddy of mine, he did that in the Southwest. He did, I like the tiles. He did, it was a 3-bedroom, but it was small bedrooms. So he put 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. And a bathroom in each bedroom, I believe it was. And he did put another bedroom in the basement. Closet. This has the pocket door. For the bathroom. And he did the wall again. That's nice. And the light in the closet. Oh, where's the switches for it? There you go. Alright. Let's head on down, check out the basement. You can put ceramic tile down here, that's good. In case you get some water. Some water. Kind of low ceiling, but they got it done. They got the job done. hookup for your washer and dryer. I'm trying to see where the washer. Where's the dryer vent out to? Maybe I have to put that in. See that? Floating stairs upstairs and going to the basement. All right, man. On to the next, man. Let's head to the next house. This we're gonna knock y'all socks off. Watch this.